Complete step-by-step installation of the Super Kit with Revolux Grate and Trifon Drain. These are some of the tools we will need. Let's open the box and see what the Super Kit includes. Inside, we find everything needed for the installation. Let's move on to the step-by-step installation. We position the tray and mark the distance the drain will have from the wall, including the adapter. Then, we adjust the tray to the required size, and yes, it is fully cut to size. In renovations, we only need to create the space to place the drain, while in new construction, we must level the drain before installing the tray. We will place the protective cover to prevent dirt from entering the drain once we apply the mortar layer. We will proceed to apply C2 tile adhesive on the base before placing the tray. Remember, the tray already comes with built-in slopes. Unfold the tray over the still wet tile adhesive and connect the adapter to the drain until you hear the click that ensures a secure fit. Then, fold the second half of the tray over the first. Apply C2 tile adhesive to the second half of the tray and the corresponding part of the base, then unfold the tray. Ensure the tray adheres to the base by applying uniform pressure, for example by stepping on it. We will waterproof the walls and reinforce the critical points. We will bond the membrane using the same C2 tile adhesive. Place the spacer using C2 tile adhesive, pressing it down firmly to the bottom. Lift the protective plastic, cut the grate to size, and reattach the plastic. Place the end caps and connect the collector to the adapter. Finally, adjust to the desired height and position. Install the ceramic tiles on the tray, as well as on the walls and floors of the bathroom, using C2 tile adhesive. Insert the desired siphon, dry or hydraulic, the hair catcher, and the trim cover. The end user can interchange the siphon, do not discard it.